Okay, so another Italy video. Now, this video that you're about to watch, you're going to notice a lot of, I will say, probably irritation, or me just being vexed, or me sweating. I sweat a lot in this video. Yeah, Italy is hot. I'm never again gonna argue about how hot it is in the United States while I was there, because Italy is hot, dude. It's, oh my gosh, I don't know, maybe it's because it's like the humidity next to the ocean, but like, dang, like it's so hot over here, dude. But yeah, it got to the point where sometimes some of my sweat was getting on the getting on the camera. Dude, the camera overheat several times during this specific video. I don't know, I think this was probably one of the hottest days in Italy. But yeah, so I don't know all what I recorded and all what the camera was able to record without overheating, but yes, so there you go. This video is gonna be for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. We went to the beach.
Come along the journey with us, we're glad you're here. Tune in for the adventure and fun, exploring the world both far and near. Join your pals, Sunny, Zero, and May, spreading joy, brightening your day, 'cause it's the Syndicate's way. Where will they go? Who will they meet? What will they learn? What will they eat? I guess you'll just have to watch and see.
Yeah. So here we are inside a mini little catacomb. That's pretty cool. It's about as tall as 1.5 DJs. So that's nice. Now we're trying to figure out where the beach is at.
You say bitch. I thought you say bitch.
Right, for a second there. Okay, so it don't look like there ain't no sands here. See, look. I don't think there's sands.
People can fish here. That's good.
I think you gotta I think you just gotta make peace with your God. I don't think there's a sand here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's the type of shit you gotta make peace with your God for. Yeah, nah. I don't think we'll have a chance to like just scurry around. Well, let's follow the masses and see what they say. When in doubt.
She's carrying an umbrella.
Yeah, so maybe that's the place we can put it.
Carry chairs. So there is sand down.
Let's hope so.
Damn, you sweat a lot.
Bro, I'm perspirated out here. Well, despite the fact that I'm sweating, we did find the beach, and it's pretty nice. And yeah, we're gonna head towards that side where we see civilization, and we're gonna try to use that area to swim. I am falling because this ground is not stable. I'm going to attempt going into the water. Damn, it's dark. I'm black. Bro, come on. Just put the stone, bro. Stone. The other one behind you? Yeah, we're trying to build a little stone area right here so we can get this thing situated and started. Alright, yeah, there we go. Okay. Now we go in. Oh yeah, this is nice. Y'all see this? Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, that's so much better. I think I'm gonna just sit over here. Oh yeah, this water is definitely gonna sink you.
Yo, this it's moving me. All right, maybe not go that far in. You know, I'm being moved. This is dangerous.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir. Yeah, all right, another wave. Let me see how much you guys can go in. All right.
Stop.
For what?
Close it down. It's cold. Now down. It's moving.
Oh. All right, you guys ready?
Kind of do it at the same time. I'm scared of getting seen. I would keep it off. Stop walking back though.
Okay, I kind of want to walk all the way across the beach area. You want to do the vlogging and stuff and talking to them? You do it.
What can I talk about?
I don't know. Talk to them. Tell them about your day, how you enjoy it.
Bro, I did nothing but sleep.
Be entertaining.
I'm not an entertaining person. You should know this. You got anything to say?
Not really. I'm gonna go.
Man,
I'm